शुरू करें?
अगर कुछ होगा तो मैं बता दूंगा।
हाँ. Today I am going to discuss about the numbers it is also known as numerals. And the number name. Numbers and the numerals are the same, and it should be throughout the year of the class 1 students, it should be mentioned so that in their mind it should be stuck that the numbers and the numerals are the same. Then also I am going to discuss about the number name. So first I will discuss numbers. It is a counting. It is a counting. In Hindi, you can say ginti. From 1 to 20, because part 1 in the class 1 means beginning, the counting is always discussed from 1 to 20. Later on, we can discuss up to 50, and then third phase we can discuss about 100, up to 100. Now, this number also known as natural number. That means the natural numbers and the numerals, all these are the same. Generally in the later stage, natural number is used, but in the beginning, since counting is told about 1 to 20, so it should be easier and convenient to the students to understand the numbers, numerals and natural numbers are the same. Now, question comes, what is the number's name? When the counting is written in the words, or you can say the natural number, natural numbers if written in words, it is number name. For example, the 11 is number, numeral and natural number. But if the number is written as 11. Then 11 is the numeral name. So you can say that it is numeral name, natural number name, and the number name. So it is number name. So in the previous slides, I have written in the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as well as 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All are number name. So I will just say that the student should be asked to remember the spelling of all the natural name, because it is very important. Now I will give the example for number, numerals, natural numbers, and number names. Just example. Very simple way. Write the number name here. Teacher should tell the students the number name, numeral name, natural number name is the same of 18 and 20. Answer. You can also say the answer and solution are the same. Just see, we have to write the number name of 18. So first write 18, then the first digit is always written as O, ones. Write ones. The second digit, I have already told you, it is the tens, so we should write 10. Then, what is 18 in the words? 18. E I G H T double E N, 18. And it is a number name. Then 20. There should be space between the two number. 20. First is ones, second is T. So here the number name is 20. Is the number name. There is no need to write numbers name, numeral name, but this should be clear to the students. The number name, numerals name, natural number name are the same. Now, number lines. Basically, when we are telling to the students about number, numerals, natural number, so at the same time, for the convenience of the students, we should tell the number line, because we know how to draw the straight line. So So first, a student should ask to draw a straight line. So this is a point, and we should this. Since we are talking to the numbers from 0 to 20, so we should make a point starting from 0. 0 means starting point. Then after 0, 1 comes, then 2, then 3, then 4. Here I am going to inform or tell the students, when you write the 5, the line should be bigger, like this. This 5 plays a very, very important role in the future classes, in the higher classes. So at every 5, just like it is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. At the gap of 5, it should be a bigger line. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, then again 15, bigger line. Then we should proceed further. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, because part 1 of the math, the numbers or the problems example is based on from 0 to 20. So this is very, very important. Now suppose you want to make a counting of up to 100, then it is very difficult to write 1 to 100, which I will explain later on how we can proceed it. So we can proceed, this can be written as also R. Draw the line, and we should only put here 0, then 5, and it is understood that this 0 to 5 is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, first student cannot understand this, but you can tell this and this also. Then after 5, it is the 10, then 15, then 20. Later on, it can go up to 100. So I will just mention here. So now one can say that what is the definition of the number line. So you can define as when number oblique numeral is written on horizontal line line, it is referred as number line. For the class students, this sentence may be difficult, but just to draw this curve is not difficult, because you have to draw the line, then put the numbers like this, but at the interval of the 5, the bigger line should be there. Why I mention here? Because in the class 1 students, you have to tell the sum, minus, multiplication, division. But on the number line, only plus and minus will be discussed later on when we discuss about the sum up to 20 minus up to 20, then we can use all these things. Now, number lines, the number lines starts from 0 to any number At present, this number may be 20, as I have written this thing. So, this chart should also be given. I am not telling you that, I am just telling the new things, but here the sequence is important. When you are telling the students counting, number, numerals, so it should be said that what is the number name, numeral name, how it can be put on the number line. Now, again I will tell you some points which is important for the class 1 to tell on the number line, which is very, very important as far as a student is concerned. I will give you the example. Suppose I have written a number line, dry line, it starts from 0 as I have mentioned on the line, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Just leave up to 10. You can say this is a number line. A student should always ask to write the name of the number line. Then, if you remember, I have used the plus sign, positive sign, sum, add. So, on the number line, sum is not used, add is not used. What is used? That if you are moving from left to right, zero is the reference point. If you are moving from this to this, it is the positive. Positive is also written as this. Positive means increasing. This is very, very important when you are going to use number line sum and minus. So, this concept is very, very important. However, when you are moving from right to left, it is negative. This means the number is decreasing, not increasing. The number is decreasing. This concept of movement of number line from left to right positive and from right to left negative, you have to use this concept up to the engineering level. And since to draw the number line is easy and a class 1 student can grasp easily, and class 1 student store this number permanently. So that is very, very important. Now, again there are some name which is always used frequently. For example, word forward. This is O. Forward. Then after. Forward and after is the same. Then also more, positive. As previously mentioned, increasing. Number. Now, how will it define it? It is very important. So, it starts from lowest number to highest number. Like, it is up to you to choose the lowest number from 0 to 20. So, here I am giving the example that suppose I choose the lowest number is 1. This can be any number, it can be 5 also, but it starts from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, I am putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, this is lowest number, 1 is the lowest number. Six is the highest number. Now, question comes, in this lowest and highest number, how you can define forward, after, more. This is this sequence. So, forward means the 2 is forward to 1, 2 is after the 1, 3 is after the 2, 4 is after the 3. You can also say 2 is more than 1, 3 is more than 2, 4 is more than 3, 6 is more than 5. You can also say 2 is forward to 1, 3 is forward to 2 as well as forward to 1. So, that is how I have given this example. So, now 1 is the starting point, the 1 is starting number. And it goes up to 6. Highest number. Now, again how we will explain forward, after, like this. Further, first, the 3 which I have already mentioned here is after forward to 2. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 2 के बाद 3 आता है, 1 के बाद भी 3 आता है. और दूसरा एग्जाम्पल ये है, the 6 is after or forward अब इसमें ध्यान रखिएगा कि आर मैं 2 तरह से लिख रहा हूं, तो ये स्टूडेंट्स को क्लियरली पता होना चाहिए दिस आर एंड दिस आर द सेम बिकॉज दे आर नर्सरी बॉय. Forward to 5. It can also be said that three is greater or bigger than 2. और इसको ऐसे भी कहा जा सकता है कि 3 is more than 2. Again, and the 6 is greater oblique bigger than 5 or 5 is more than नहीं 6 is more than 5. Now, all the term in class 1 regarding the basic mathematics I have used till now. Then there is one thing, very small part, which I want to explain, the what is the symbol of greater, bigger and more, and that will be end of my today's lecture. Just see, the symbol is this. This symbol has two faces. One is this is the tail. इसको आप टेल कह सकते हैं, और टेल मीन्स लोअर पार्ट. सो ब्रैकेट में आप लोअर भी लिख सकते हैं. देन just like a open mouth is this, so this can be referred as head. That is the bigger oblique more and higher. There is question on this symbol. I will give the example for practice up to 20. Suppose I have given 16 and a square and 15, and we have to place the proper this symbol of bigger and lower. So it is very clear 16 is more than 15. So the sign should be like this. Similarly, ask the students to fill up this. Say here 9 and here 8. It can put like this. Similarly, you make all the numbers between, you can say 0 to 20 to have a practice. I am just giving the example. Examples. Write 0 here, square, then put 1. Put at random, then put 3 here, then 2 here. Ask the students to do repeat this thing. Then any number, maybe 19, and also put 17. Generally, class 1 students 18, 19, no, 17, 19. So he should know 19 is more than 17. So what should be sign? Similarly, 13, here 16. These are the tricks the students should know at the beginning. Generally, I have seen in the class note, it is written, इस तरह से लिखा रहता है कि 13 और 12 के बीच में साइन लगाइए, 15 14 के बीच में साइन लगाइए. Why not 15 और 13 के बीच में साइन लगाइए? So students' mind will be sharper than the usual. That is the end of my lecture today. Thank you.